Wow, what's up, good people? Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy. I am underscore Sia, and it's on a bright morning here in Kenya, Africa. Guys, it's not actually before the birds, after the birds, and I'm just kind of like from my room over there, heading to the working point where actually our family is the sunset cabin, the sunset farm, the beautiful, beautiful farm. And guys, we are going on transforming it. I thank God, I thank Mighty God for the love and support as we are just going on with the activity over there. And I believe that everything is just going to be good, guys. So it's really so cold, it's really cold, and but it's cold, we thank God, you know that it's just going to change. That's the sunrise from the other side there, as you can have the view, and then everything is just going to be fine. Guys, this is how the place really looks early in the morning, because actually the rains are, that's why you can see maybe people on the farm just are doing weeding, also different kind of activities, yeah, taking place. And all in all, that's really a blessings. Those are actually morning routines and different kind of activities back at home. Wow, guys, let's go and see today's activity that we are just going to do here. And I believe that you're just going to do it amazing, amazing, amazing. Guys, we have caves over here alongside this tarmac road. Chilly morning, yeah, waiting for some hours then to get maybe uh taken somewhere to get grass. That's a sheep over there, guys. And here we have a lot of manure. Wow, 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 really amazing. I love the morning way how things guy, how things actually are, yeah. So guys, and for sure we had no electricity, and since the whole of the night, the whole of last night, we had no electricity, and I think in a few minutes, my gadget actually had. Wow, guys, at this place, and I think it have been raining. Now you can see the weeds, the grass. It's over here, so this place needs to be weeded. So we need to weed this area, but not today, maybe tomorrow at work. So you can have a look at, we have a lot of weeds, the grass itself. And guys, have a look at this flower. These flowers used to adapt, yeah, they used to adapt, so they are just growing, growing, growing. Yeah, there's a difference. I love this one. This one are just like active. The leaves are growing and doing good, you know, with also just being top tray. Actually, we used to add manure, and at the wow, the snake plants, it's over there. Oh God, everything it's here. That's it. What's on? So everything here is just really, really amazing and wonderful. Those are blessings, you know. Those are blessings, and glory be to mighty God. You know, there's another step that we have made, and guys, we're just going to figure out. We need to add some of the parallels, and maybe some a tree running from this side to the other end, so that everything gonna be fine. Yeah, you know, this area needs to be. And haven't I've not seen this father who was actually doing this, because I have not finished. We communicated with him. It's only maybe gonna finish so that he can just come and proceed, because he can proceed without actually being finished, and not really uh, in a good way, like in terms of strong. Things need to be really, really good. Anyways, I trust and believe that pole pole, yeah, slowly, slowly, we're gonna finish it. But I trust maybe for the course of this week, we are just going to finish everything. Yeah, have a look at it. So let me just add those parallels at this running point, and then I'm just going to add also the trees. How do you call them? This. eh, to hold the two that's 4 6 over there. Wow. So that we can fix it, and then everything gonna be fine, guys. You guys, my guys, the place, have a look at how the sun hits on that grass and the view of it. Oh god, I love it. It's really really amazing. That we need everything. It's really cool. Everything, it's really cool. I appreciate for the love and support. Glory be to mighty God. Without you, I could have not, for sure. Without you, we could have not. I could have not. And due to your support, that's why everything here, it's really amazing. Yeah. Let me just take you around. Sometimes maybe I've not been just giving you the tour, the full tour of this actually area. This how it was actually touched. Eh? Gonna see how the detachment it was being done here. Eh? This guy did amazing work. Yeah, you can have a look at. Wow, I love it. I love the way it is. I love it absolutely. Oh God, uh, things are really really amazing. You can have a look at it. Wow, everything here. So let me just have the tools, and then we're gonna proceed with the activity. Can you see even this one here? It's really doing good. Yeah. Even this some of the actually uh, lemongrass. Mhm. Things are really amazing. Things are really amazing. You can have a look at it. Wow. Oh God. Wow, guys, this is the position that we are just going to use. Let me just turn a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. Oh God. Yeah, I think this one it's really good. It gives us the full view of this shade as we are just going to walk over here. So this how starts.
wherever you're watching us from. Welcome to Hosea's channel. If you are a new member, give us a sweet comment, like, share. And I am your girl, It's Inaga YouTube channel. If you come to across to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, leave a sweet comment, then I will follow you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
How's your day?
My day is good. I don't know you.
Guys, we are going on, and we have reached at this point. Oh God! So need to fix that point, and then start actually fixing the parallels at this other side. This is the way of actually strengthening it. We have been strengthening, and I believe it's really, really strong. Yeah, I'm with my brother. How are you?
Again today.
Again and again.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Welcome family to this amazing channel of It's_Hosea. My name is Kiza KE from East Africa, Kenya, and right away we are coming live from this beautiful village. Also this beautiful sunrise cafe.
Sunset Farm.
Sunset Farm.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, so we are here actually. I was just passing by, and guys, today we are out of power, so we are just struggling here and there so that at least we can get to charge our phones, because like me here, you can see I'm working with a charger and a phone, because uh, the power lost yesterday, and totally there was total darkness till this morning, so it hasn't came back, so we have to wait for it at least to see even the day can end maybe. At least we upload a video. Yeah, so I'm just here with Hosea, just chilling. We are trying to wait for the power to come so that at least we can boost our phones and do videos. Yes, but Hosea, I can see you are so lucky because your phone didn't went off.
Yeah.
At least you can make a video.
You know, yesterday when we had the blackout, I decided to go to the hospital there. I left this one over there charging.
Okay.
I went for it. Yeah.
So did you went there as a sick person, or
No.
you just went there to charge your phone?
I just went there.
Uh-huh.
I told them I'm just going to call some. I'm just like friends, and you know, when you are a customer,
Oh, okay, so they know you.
they know me. They are
Okay.
friends, and maybe some of them are like neighbors around here.
Okay.
Neighbors. So I just left it for one of our friend there.
To watch it for
Yeah.
you, so that at least it can boost up.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's the way that I was lucky.
You are so lucky.
Yeah. You know, I understand the village electricity.
Man,
When it reaches a time that
we are undergoing something different.
yeah, I remember yesterday I told you guys I had a shot out of this electricity. Just like, is this not electricity? So I knew that we are not going to have electricity. So I decided to just go and then take mine there, because I understand the situation of this electricity in the village.
Yeah, it's actually that problem. It hasn't started today.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has been there. So it's something that we've used to. Though the time that it wants to disappear, it doesn't allow you. I mean, it doesn't alert you that I'm going.
I'm going, yeah.
Just disappearing.
Yeah, so.
Anytime. So you just find yourself in a blackout.
Yeah.
You know.
Sure.
But I believe with time it will
Gonna,
come. But
yeah.
I pray so much it come at least even by 1 p.m. So that at least we can.
You can do a video.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's continue praying and being faithful. I know it will. It will.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, guys, let's proceed actually with the activity of today, and just going to do some of the. I think everything gonna be fine, guys. Everything gonna be fine. So that we can proceed, guys. In a few, I'm just going to come and proceed from the remaining point, and then guys, that's all. So let me just go for some nails so that we can proceed from the remaining part. Actually, we need 3 inches, and we have 2.5, which are not actually like enough to finish these parts. With my elder sister here, guys. Actually, for the first time, to have my elder sister here, and she's with us, yes, but she's actually like shying the camera, but but just to say hi then, and then we leave. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm very glad.
Yeah.
Because I'm seeing my brother, he's progressing.
Yeah.
And I know that everything is okay.
Yeah.
I say to you, thanks.
Yeah.
For supporting him.
Oh, you're welcome.
Okay.
You're welcome. Actually, the first time for her to pay a visit at this place, and not only that, she have not been in the village. She is actually in her room there where she is married at. But I do appreciate for the actually presence here and just paying a visit. So I'm just going to take her a little tour and just to show her some of the activities that are taking place. Yeah, hope you are free and feeling glad and you are not maybe.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So actually, we have an activity. We want to launch a restaurant here.
Okay.
So we are just going to open a restaurant, and I'm just doing some of the roofing here, tightening this roof, and then maybe the next time, maybe tomorrow, we are just going to do touch. How do we call it? Touching it. Yeah. So maybe tomorrow.
Okay.
And this is the first section. We have the kitchen. How do you see all about the things here?
It's good, and
Yeah.
I know the restaurant is going to be good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this price is good for the restaurant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, that's great. Yeah. So this is our room here, and I hope everything is really amazing. Yeah.
Okay.
And let's go this way. I tell you the activities. That's it. So this is the place where we are just going to do like cooking from, and maybe the counter.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good, and it's very smart. Okay.
Sure. Wow. So this is the kitchen, maybe where we are just going to serve from. This is the counter now, where I think by the next time when you are just going to pay a visit back here, you are just going to enjoy maybe the meals and the soft drinks from this place. Called.
This place is very good, and the kitchen is very good.
Yeah. Wow. So that's how things are. We have the cabin over there, and we have some of the bananas there. So amazing. Bro, how are you?
Good.
Meet my sister here, my elder sister.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I mean, apart from your brother,
Yeah.
this is the first
Hi.
sibling.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm Kim.
You are Kim?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Edina.
And Mosea's friend. Yeah, we are trying to make things happen.
And I'm a sister to Baraki.
Yeah. She's actually my elder sister. Yeah. So my elder brother there is the one who follows actually.
Oh, yeah, I know
yeah.
that brother.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm just giving her a little
That
tour,
tour.
and then I'm just coming back for you, bro.
Okay, man.
Yeah.
So take your time, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
So guys, that's how things are, and you can
And
see
these are the flowers.
we have the flowers over here,
Okay.
and the blueberry, chinkenene.
Chicken.
We have it here. So guys, we call it blueberries. We call it chinkenene in our language, and that's how it is.
Chicken, they are fruits.
Yeah, they are fruits.
Okay.
That's guava, but it used to die. We have the lemongrass. You know the lemongrass?
The lemongrass, the one which is being put in tea.
Yeah.
Okay.
You put in there, okay. Yeah. Well, we have some bananas, and we have some of the flowers here, and not fruits, not flowers only. We have the fruits. This is a fruit. It just looking like a cactus, but it's known as a dragon fruit.
It's a fruit.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's just going when it by the time it's just going to produce some of the fruits. They are just like a pink in color, and they are also like a medicine and they're really healthy.
Okay.
Yeah.
It
So
can be
like
used as medicine.
yeah,
Okay.
but one fruit goes at 1,000 plus.
Guy,
One fruit of it.
it's very expensive.
It's really expensive. Even the seedling, I bought it in expensive actually, because I know the importance of it, and I just like I thought of having more than one, but I had no cash. But I have the contact of the guy who usually have those. Maybe I can just call him, and then we have more. And we have here grafted.
This place is very good.
Yeah.
It's very good. And this is avocado.
Yeah, grafted on avocado here.
Yeah.
So we have it, and I believe it's just going maybe very soon. It's just going to produce.
Some seeds.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And we have here the vanilla.
The vanilla.
Yeah,
This
this
one is this.
this is the vanilla.
This one I don't know it.
Yeah, but this one, you have been just taking those yogurt, vanilla yogurts, something like that. You just feel that taste of vanilla. So this one is the vanilla. It have not actually started producing, and I hope it's just going to produce very soon. Wow. So
And this one?
well, which one? That's just a weed. This is a weed. It grew here. It served, and it's also like a beautiful. You can see how it is.
It's very beautiful.
Yeah, just a flower that.
It's very beautiful and
Yeah.
it entertains.
Yeah, and we have the guava. Yeah, This is the guava. We call it amapera. Mapera in Swahili, and in our local language we call it amapera.
Amapera.
Yeah.
Okay,
So,
I know it.
yeah, but it's actually grafted too. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh God, you're
I
welcome,
see
dear.
that you have all the seeds here.
Yeah, we have them, and we are planning to have different actually varieties. Yeah. And this is our toilet here. Yeah. I think it's really big, almost.
It's very big.
Yeah, almost 30 feet. Yeah, but we were lucky we had some water, and you know when
But
it's
why can't you cover it?
okay, we have actually, because we have a security here, like the fence, and no kids are just running here. I'm hoping that maybe the next time we are just going to work on it, and then everything will be fine. So that we are just going to construct it very soon, I believe that. So that's why we decided to just leave it such a way in a little moment. Then by the time that we are just going to construct it, we don't want more expenses. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So good. I can see that you are improving.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is the cabin now.
This is the
Cabin.
uh,
The cabin.
how can I know this is the capital?
The cabin actually it's because of it's actually constructed by using the lumbers or timbers. That's why we call it the cabin.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
I was about to call it a house.
Yeah. Okay, it's in a house, but because of the way the materials they are used, lumbers, that's why they call it the cabin.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So there's one of my friends who is just staying inside.
Okay.
Yeah. And we have also the project of chickens.
Chicken.
Yeah. But currently is you can see some of them are also here, free ranged. Yeah. Yeah. So that's how things are. Yeah.
And by now the hens are not in.
You have seen them. They are free ranged. They are just outside looking for food.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. I can see that I have enjoyed.
Yeah. You're welcome. Guys, meet my sister here, my elder sister. And she actually like, I think you are leaving today.
Yes, I'm ready.
You are ready?
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. I thought that you're gonna be just like take a little moment and maybe you share a lot from this.
I'm ready.
Because of you have some of the activity you need to run in the village.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great here. Wow. So, bro,
Yeah, man.
I think I need to go and escort her because there are some of the goods that, so I want to take for him to the stage.
I'll do that. Personally, I'll be around here. I'm okay, man. I'm
Okay.
uploading my video.
Oh.
I've been struggling with network since yesterday.
Uh-huh.
I just want to give it a try to see whether at least it's
Oh.
gonna go through.
Okay.
And then I'm going to be here.
Okay. Just like less than 5-10 minutes, I'll be back, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay, bro. Nice time.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, nice time.
So, guys, let me just escort and then I'll be back to proceed with you. Guys, we have been working out, or we have actually worked out the activity, and right now, this is where we have been just fixing those actually parallels, and it's fully done. So we used to lack like 3 to 4 of them. Safi, 3 to 4 of those parallels to finish up with this actually part. So we made with some like 2 of them to this area so that we can fix and then finish maybe. But I think tomorrow we are just going to work out on it, and I believe that everything is just going to be amazing, guys, So we thank God for everything until this moment, and this is due actually to God's glory. And guys, I trust and believe that everything is just really good, and things are just running smooth due to your love and support, guys. Yeah. And guys, I think I should also just figure out, you can see the grass how it's really scattered over here. I think we need to do it tomorrow so that we finish. We just also prepare the area over here for it to be ready and really amazing, yeah, you know. And maybe some of the activities that might be actually required to be run out, we need them also to be actually figured out so that we can make everything here ready. And remember, the days are really like days time is just passing by, yeah. We can't feedback, or we can just also go and get some of the hours, baby. Wow. So we can't just like also go back again, like oh, let tomorrow be today. Impossible. So we need to work hard right now. We need to go to actually to save time, to keep time, so that we can actually get it ready. So that's how things are from this point, and I believe everything is really good, guys, you know. Wow. So I will be just back again in a few minutes to show you how things are. Let me just take you from the tarmac road, and maybe we can have a good view of this area, how things are, you know. So things are really good, things are really amazing, and I trust and believe that we are just going to do more than this, yeah. We are going to do more than this in a few minutes, in a few days. Guys, have a look at that, how really good it looks like. Oh my god. Amen, 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 amen. So guys, let me just go for my lunch and then I'll be back. No, I feel like also I need something, even cold water, yeah. Let me just go and have the cold waters, and then I'll be back to proceed with the remaining activity, with the remaining part from this area, and we're gonna call it a day, guys, yeah. So that's how things are, yeah. I really love the way things are over here. Oh god, wow, god. Guys, remember also to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, share the link. This is your boy, I am _Sia. Love is always free, and your support, it's really appreciated. Hey, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
We have a guest here. How are you?
Your phone looks smart. Hello,
Yeah.
Timothy. How are you doing?
I'm good, and you?
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you so much. I hope you're fine. I'm also doing amazing.
Yeah.
I'm Miss Diary here.
Yeah,
I've now appeared on this channel many times. I think now they know me.
yeah, they know
Yeah,
you.
Miss Diary, a content creator.
Yeah,
I've come to visit Osea Hapa for a few minutes.
yeah.
You know, network might start a problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow,
So I
that's
just visited here.
okay.
Yep.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah. So guys, I'll be just heading there to get some of my cold water, and then everything will be fine. Yeah. Guys, I'm back here at the farm, the Sunset Farm, and it have been raining. It have been raining heavy rains. So I didn't manage actually to proceed with the work of the day. But what we have remained with it's actually less. Maybe tomorrow then I'm just going to proceed from the actually. Oh God, that's the sound from that machine. So maybe tomorrow I will just proceed from the remaining point that actually we have left with. Actually, it's just some of two parallels over here, and then we're gonna call it a day. And then as meanwhile, he's just going to proceed with actually touching the grass over here, and then we're gonna see the beauty of this farm, of this actually the Sunset Farm, how it's gonna be, guys, you know. So it's really in the evening hours, actually almost 7, and let me just figure out. Oh God, it's actually 6:30 p.m. East Africa hours, and we thank God for it. He has been with us the whole of the day until this moment, and glory be to mighty God, guys. Also, I wish you all the best. I think that you are all doing good, and let's also continue praying for each other, also comforting those who are just like mourning, for those who are just sick, and they are on their bed, in their beds, maybe in hospitals, in their rooms. Let Almighty God actually continue being with you, and receive actual healing from our mighty God. Guys, my guys, I do appreciate for your love and support. So let's meet maybe next time, and be blessed all for your love and support, guys. Wow.